Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Story. Today's episode is dedicated to Onam festival. I am preparing a payasam. Ingredients for this are 1 spoon of rice, chana dal, Bengal gram, moong dal, then mixed dry fruits. Desired dry fruits you can add. Dry coconut, koppara or onakobri, khaskhas, poppy seeds, ilachi powder, jaggery, ghee, milk, required amount of water. Now switch on the stove. Take a cooker, small cooker, add half a spoon of ghee to it. Then add just 1 spoon of rice, 2 spoon of Bengal gram, chana dal, 2 spoons of moong dal, pasi parpu, hesaru bede. Fry it. Now after frying for 1 minute, we will add required amount of water to this. Close the lid and give 3 to 4 whistles so that the ingredients will cook thoroughly. Now after 5 whistles, cooker is cooled. Everything is boiled nicely. Now we will let it cool and put it in the mixie and grind the mixture. Now this mixture is cooled. We will take this into a mixie jar and grind it to a fine paste. Now I have grinded the mixture thoroughly. We will take this mixture into the same cooker and prepare the payasam. Now switch on the stove. Keep this mixture. Then we will add required amount of jaggery to it and cook for some time. Mix it thoroughly. Now I have added the jaggery and cook it for some time, and then we will add the milk to it. Now it is done. You just switch off the stove and then add the milk, because sometimes when you are using the milk in the jaggery mixture, the chances are that the milk will spoil. So switch off the stove, let it cool for some time, then we will add the milk to it. Now add the milk to the mixture and mix it thoroughly. Add the milk slowly. Add it batch by batch so that you will get the required consistency. If you pour at a time, it will become very watery. You check it and add the milk. Now this is the perfect consistency for the payasam. We will temper it with dry fruits. Now switch on the stove. Take a pan. Add just 1 spoon of ghee to it. Let it get heated. Now add 1 spoon of dry fruits and fry it thoroughly. Now at this stage, you add half a spoon of poppy seeds. Let it fry for just a second. Then immediately you add dry coconut. You switch off the stove and add the grated dry coconut. Just 1.5 spoon of dry coconut and fry it. Mix it thoroughly and add to the payasam, kheer. Now add this fried dry fruits to the payasam and it is ready. Now after adding dry fruits, add ilachi powder and it is ready. Now the second dish for this episode, I am preparing Kerala special Inji Pudi. Ingredients for this are 1 bowl of tamarind juice, 1 small cup of finely chopped ginger, half cup of green chilies, chopped green chilies, red chilies for tempering, curry leaves for tempering, jaggery, salt for tempering mustard seeds, some jeera, turmeric powder, methi seeds, hing, oil. Switch on the stove, take a pan, add oil to it, add around 4 to 5 teaspoon of oil. Now add some mustard seeds, just a few methi seeds, a few jeera seeds, little turmeric, now add curry leaves, green chilies and then red chilies, fry it. Now add finely chopped ginger to it and fry until the ginger cook properly. Now the ginger is perfectly cooked. Time to add the tamarind water. Now we will add salt according to taste. Now itself we will add jaggery according to the taste. Let it boil and become to a thick consistency as of pickle. Now at this stage we will switch off the stove. This is the perfect consistency. We will switch off the stove and it is ready to serve. Now the Onam special payasam and Inji Pudi is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Wish you all a very happy Onam. Stay safe. Thank you.